Income exempt from tax as per section 10. Agriculture income. Amount received out of family income, Hindu undivided family, HUF. Share of profit. Interest paid to non-resident. Interest to non-resident on non-resident external account. Interest paid to a person of Indian origin and to who is non-resident. Leave, travel concession or assistance. Tax paid by government or Indian concern on income of a foreign company. Perquisites or allowances paid by government to its employees serving outside India. Employees of foreign countries working in India under Cooperative Technical Assistance Program. Income of a consultant. Income of employees of consultant. Income of any member of the family of individuals working in India under Cooperative Technical Assistance Programs. Gratuity. Gratuity received by government servants. Gratuity received by a non-government employee is covered by Payment of Gratuity Act 1972. Commuted value of pension received. Amount received as leave enhancement on retirement. Retrenchment compensation received by workmen. Payment received under Bhopal gas leak disaster. Compensation received in case of any disaster. Retirement compensation from a public sector company or any other company. Tax on non-monetary perquisites paid by employer. Amount received under insurance policy. Statutory Provident Fund. Recognized Provident Fund. Superannuation Fund. Allowances, HRA. business expenditure allowance, interest income, scholarship, allowance of MP, MLA, MLC, awards instituted by government, pension received by certain winners of gallantry awards, family pension received by family members of armed forces including paramilitary forces, income of a local authority, income of scientific research association, income of a new agency, income of some professional institutions, exemption of income received by Regimental fund, in a fund set up for the welfare of employees or their dependents, income of a pension fund set up by LIC or other insurer, any income received by a person on behalf of following funds, income of mutual fund, exemption of income of a securitization trust, income of investor protection fund, exemption of income of investor protection fund of depository with effect from assessment year 2014-15, exemption for certain income of a venture capital company or venture capital funds from the certain specified, income of registered trade unions, income of provident fund and superannuation funds, income of employees state insurance fund, income of scheduled tribes members, income of Sikkim's individuals, retrospective effect from 1/4/1990, regulating the marketing of agricultural produce, income of a corporation set up for promoting the interest of scheduled castes, scheduled tribes or backward classes, income of a corporation set up to protect the interests of minorities, Any income of a corporation established for ex-servicemen. Income of cooperative society looking after the interest of scheduled caste or scheduled tribes or both. Any income occurring or arising to commodity board, etc. Amount received as subsidy from or through the tea board. Amount received as subsidy from or through the concerned board. Income of child glibed under section 64 1A. Income by way of dividend from Indian company. Exemption of income to a shareholder on buyback of shares of utilized company. Unlisted company. Exemption of income from units. Exemption of income from securitization trust. With effect from assessment year 2014-15. Thanking you.